How to forward messages from Telegram to WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can forward messages from Telegram to WhatsApp. Now if you open up the Telegram app and head into a certain chat or any group chat or anywhere you want, and then tap on the particular chat, or long tap it if it's a chat only, and you'll get various options like you can see on the screen right now. Now here you'll get an option to forward, but if you tap on it you will not get an option to forward it to any other platforms. Instead you'll only be able to forward the message to the particular friends or contacts on your Telegram only. Now the trick is, what you can do is simply tap on the chat and then copy the link, and then you can head over to your WhatsApp, and then on the chat that you want to send to, you can simply paste the messages and send it, and the message will be sent, or the message that you want to send or forward will be sent. So this way you can forward messages from Telegram to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.